greenhouse that I put together with my wife. And yesterday I built shelves for my pots. And if you can see, I got 9 2x4s and I built these 8-foot shelves. And I threw some wood that I had laying around on top, some plywood, an old door, more plywood, and you can see that I just nailed the shelves, screwed all the shelves together, and I just ran this door across the 2 ends to make it solid. This thing isn't going anywhere. And at this end I left myself 2 feet of space approximately for tools and some bags of soil, etc. So these shelves, you can see that end panel is about 18, 19, 20 inches wide, but I made these shelves 13 inches wide because the standard tray holder for potting your own plants and starting seedlings are about 12 inches wide. So I got 2 13 inches wide, and the end door that I used, cut the end off, that is 24 inches wide. And the reason why I went with the 24-inch wide one is because I'll show you my propagation mat. 22 inches wide by 5 feet, and this whole area happens to be 5'7", so that fits on there nicely. And that'll also give me plenty of room for my thermostat to go down, set over there. And these propagation trays, see, the tray will fit in here very nice like that. I can do a row of them. I'm going to get another propagation mat for this area, and these will sit up here very nicely, just like this. And I also got these 3.5-inch wide pots because I like more soil in them. Get a little better root structure for transplanting. So you just put those in there like that. And I'll fill those all up.
Stay tuned to my channel so you don't miss more updates on the progress of my greenhouse as I prepare for the upcoming growing season. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.